Marathon Special Products' new Class L fuse holder, the 6L2000A1B, is the ultimate high-amperage fuse holder solution. This updated fuse holder is the only UL-evaluated fuse holder engineered to accommodate 200 to 2000 amps and up to 600 volts. Its modular design and wide amperage range make it ideal for diverse one- or multi-pole electrical systems. Installation is made easy with compatibility for crimp or mechanical lugs connected by reliable bolt fasteners. The 6L2000A1B provides a reliable means to connect flexible laminate bus bars for transmitting power in high-load applications while minimizing the risk of electrical faults. Safety, reliability, and modularity make the new Class L fuse holder from Marathon Special Products the best choice for all your applications. Want to learn more? Visit us at gelco.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Gelco TV so you can be notified when new videos are posted.